Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
అరే అది ఫోటోలు నేను యూట్యూబ్ షేర్ చాట్ ఓపెన్ చేయలే.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very, very good morning. Forty-five so far.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. $53, $58.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Actually, I wanted by mistake I sent some other message. I still only 59 are there. Now let us quickly, we can't afford to waste any more time because only 40 minutes are available on Zoom. Now what are the lessons we have completed so far? Can you tell me? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What are the
Yes,
lessons?
sir.
What are the lessons? What are the topics we have completed so far?
Obligation.
Expression, obligation, fixing and
Increasing obligation.
appointment,
Fixing salaries and appointments. Canceling appointments and invitations.
Yeah, right.
appointments and invitations.
Obligation. There are basically three expressions which are used in obligation: must, should, and have to. These are the three expressions we learned. And fixing and canceling appointments we learned. And then extending and accepting invitations. We are going to complete today. Almost we have come to the end of that topic. And then giving instructions is another topic which we are going to begin today. Now let us quickly go through. Let us quickly go through. See, these are the read very quickly. Read very quickly. Yesterday and the day before yesterday also we read these expressions, but please read the expressions very quickly. Expressions used to fix an appointment. How about meeting on the 30th of August? Will you see, repetition is the
Will you
key to
be
success.
How about meeting on 31st
The
of
third
August? Will you be
of
free
June,
on the
sir.
7th of this month?
17th of this
How
month,
does
how does
3rd of
the
June sound?
Can I meet the
Shall we
teacher?
say Monday? Can I meet the senior engineering tomorrow? Would
Would you please
ideally
fix the
convenient for
appointment?
you? Could you please fix
I
an
would like to
appointment?
meet the
I would like to meet the vice chancellor.
An appointment expression.
Yeah, see, why I am making,
However,
why I am
30th
revising
of
all the
August.
things every day. Repetition is the key to success. Always remember, every day you have to repeat, you have to revise whatever you have learned so far. Daily repetition, weekly repetition, monthly repetition. I told you a number of times. So every day you have to revise whatever you have learned so far. And then people are still joining. I sent attendance link. I hope you have given attendance.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things we covered. When do we invite somebody? We know the answer. Should the invitation be oral or written? We know that sometimes it can be oral, sometimes it can be written. Give a sentence or two. We did this and we did this also. Your friend has invited you to his sister's wedding. How do you accept the invitation? Speak out your sentences. You have been invited to a housewarming ceremony, but you have some important work that day. How do you express your inability to attend the function in a polite manner? This also we have done. We read this dialogue also, you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dialogue between Mahi and Gauri. We have asked you to identify the phrases that are used to extend and accept invitation and convert the following statements into requests or polite suggestions. Invite your friend to do the following. You go for yoga. We did play tennis with you. Shall we go for tennis or shall we go for yoga? How about going on a bicycling tour? Okay. These are the things we have completed. Now, while accepting a formal invitation, it is important to respond appropriately. This point also we covered. And then we know that first, if somebody invites us, we have to thank and then express our acceptance or refusal, whatever it may be. But you have to politely politely thank the person for inviting you. Now, expressions used for accepting invitations. These are the expressions used for accepting invitations. Thank you. Yes, I will be there. Of course, I would like to come. Yes, of course. I would love to come. Of course. I would be there. Of course, I will be there. Thank you. That would be great. Thank you. That would be wonderful. Thank you. That would be great. That sounds great. That sounds wonderful. That sounds extraordinary. Thanks. That sounds extraordinary. Okay. Such expressions can be used in accepting invitations. Now, go through this slide. Inability. When you want to express your inability to attend, these are the expressions you have to use. Have you gone through these expressions?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so.
No, sir.
No. Yeah. Please read aloud. On some occasions, you may not be able to.
You may not be able to attend as express politely remember
to give a reason.
I
Thank
am
you.
not
I'm sorry.
come
I may
due
not.
to thank you, but I
Thank
not
you.
can't. Thank you, but I won't
Thank you,
thank
but I
you, but I
won't be
won't be able to.
Yes, Mamata. Mamata wants to speak. Mamata has raised her hand. Harini wants to speak.
I spoke, sir.
Yeah, one thing you have to remember always, you may accept the invitation or you may refuse the invitation. The first thing you have to do is thank the person for inviting you. Okay, thank you. In the earlier slide, we said we expressed thanks and then said I accepted the invitation. Thank you. I would like to. Of course, I would like to come. Thank you. That would be great. I would be there. Thank you. That sounds great. I will come. Okay. And here you are expressing your inability. Even to express your inability, you have to politely thank the person and you have to give the reason. You just can't say, no, I don't come. No, I don't want to come. No, I can't come. Like this, bluntly, you can't refuse the invitation. You have to politely thank the person and you have to express again politely your inability to attend that invitation. Thank you, but I'm sorry, I may not attend the function due to some urgent work. Thank you, but I'm sorry, I may not be there with you for yoga classes due to some other official work. Thank you, but I'm sorry, I may not come for bicycling with you due to or because I have some other official work to be done in time. Okay, thank you, but I'm afraid. Here, you see, I'm afraid doesn't mean the person is afraid of something. You can write down. Please open your notebooks and take your pen. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
I am afraid, right? I am afraid. I am afraid is equal to, I am afraid means, I am afraid means, I am sorry to say that, I am sorry to say that. I am afraid means, I am sorry to say that. Like in the earlier here, give some sentences inviting your friend for yoga or to play tennis with you or to go on a bicycling tour. Give sentences inviting. Yes. Go for yoga in the evening.
Shall we go yoga in the evening?
Shall we go for yoga in the evening?
Thank you for inviting me.
No, not thank you. Just invite first. Just invite the
Shall
person.
we go for yoga
Shall
in
we
the
go
evening?
for yoga in the evening? One more expression.
Join computer class evening.
Will you please join?
Yeah, will you please join
Computer
me?
class.
Yeah.
Will you please join computer class evening?
Will you please join computer class with me? Or how about going for a yoga class in the evening? Various expressions we learned. How about going? How about playing tennis with you? How about going on a bicycling tour? How about joining computer class with me? Okay. How about attending a seminar on road safety? See, you might have observed after how about ing form is added to the verb.
Could you
How about going for yoga in the evening? How about playing tennis? How about going on a bicycling tour? How about joining computer classes? Or how about going to computer classes? How about attending seminars? Okay. Shall we go? Shall we play tennis? Shall we go on a bicycling tour? Shall we join computer classes? Shall we attend a seminar? Okay. Or will you go for yoga class with me in the evening?
Why don't you go for yoga in the
Yeah, why don't you come for yoga class with me in the evening? Invitation. See, the lesson is accepting invitations. extending and accepting invitations. You have to extend, you are here extending invitation. See, for these invitations, the answers, thank you, I would love to come. See, shall we go for yoga in the evening? Thank you, I will come. Or, yes, I will be there. Of course, I would like to come. Thank you, that would be great. I would like to play tennis with you. Thank you, that sounds great. I would join computer classes this evening. Okay, this is inviting, this is accepting, this is refusing. See, these are the 3 slides. This is inviting, this is accepting, this is refusing or expressing inability to attend. Thank you, but I am sorry. See, how about going for yoga class in the evening? Accept. Of course, I would like to come to yoga class with you. Refuse. Thank you, but I'm sorry, I may not be able to come to yoga class with you due to some urgent official work. Thank you, but I'm afraid. I'm afraid means I am sorry to say that. Thank you, but I'm afraid means I'm sorry to say that I can't come with you to computer class this evening. Thank you, but I won't be able to go on a bicycling tour with you. Thank you, but I won't be able to play tennis with you. See, these are the 3 slides which you have to constantly practice. This one, and this one. Extending invitation, accepting invitation, refusing politely. Refusing, it is not saying refusing, expressing inability. See how politely he is saying, he is not refusing. Expressing inability, he is not saying I won't come. I may not be able to come. I am afraid I can't come. I won't be able to come. Okay? These are the 3. Do you want to write these 3 slides in your notebook now so that you can practice some more?
Yes, sir.
Please write quickly. Write heading as inviting. Yeah, this is inviting. No, this is fixing appointment, not inviting. How about going for yoga in the evening? You can write this sentence. Inviting as heading, side heading. How about going for yoga in the evening? Shall we go for yoga in the evening? You write these sentences first. Shall we go for yoga in the evening? You can ask in different ways. Shall we go for yoga in the evening? That means you are inviting. I hope everybody is writing. Shall we go for yoga in the evening? How about going for yoga in the evening? Is it possible for you to come for yoga in the evening? Write one more sentence. Is it possible for you to come for yoga in the evening? Is it possible for you to come for yoga in the evening? Will you come for yoga in the evening? One more expression. Will you come for yoga in the evening? Will you come for yoga in the evening? Very quickly. Unexpectedly, I am getting all these expressions. Will you come for yoga in the evening? Would you like to come for yoga in the evening? Would you like to come for yoga in the evening? See how many expressions, how many sentences you have written for go for yoga in the evening? Five.
Five, sir.
Now write five sentences for this. So write 5 sentences for play tennis with you. Play tennis. You can forget about with you. Five for go on a bicycling tour.
Will you play tennis with me?
Quickly, everybody has to do it. Otherwise, there is no point in having online classes.
So shall we tennis?
Shall we
Is it
play
possible
tennis
for you to
together?
play
See
tennis
here.
with me?
Shall we play tennis? Not with you is not required here. Shall we play tennis? You are inviting the other person to play tennis with you. That is the meaning of the
Is it
sentence.
possible for
Is
Yeah.
it possible for you to play tennis with me?
Right, very good.
so other sentence? Is it possible for you to play tennis with me?
Right,
Will you play tennis with me?
correct.
Would you play tennis with me?
To play
Yeah.
tennis with me?
Yeah,
How about playing tennis?
Why don't you play tennis with me?
correct, very good. Why don't you also is good. Why don't you play tennis?
Don't you play tennis with me?
Yeah. Why
Could
don't
you
could you?
Play tennis with me?
Right. Could you play tennis with me? You have given 7 sentences instead of 5. Right, very good.
How about playing tennis?
Yeah. How about playing tennis? What about Kante? How about is better always. How about playing tennis? Yeah, in the same way, you have to write sentences for go on a bicycling tour, join computer classes, and attend a seminar on road safety very quickly. Just in 2 minutes time, you have already done number of sentences. Inviting is the subheading. Under that, you are writing all these sentences.
Shall we go for a bicycle tour evening?
Shall we go?
For a bicycle tour at evening?
Yeah, shall we go for bicycle tour this evening? Right,
How about going on a bicycling tour?
right.
Is it possible for you to have a
Would you
bicycle
like
tour?
Is it possible for you to come on a bicycling tour with me?
Would you like to go on bicycling tour?
Go a bicycle tour?
Yeah, would you like to come on a bicycling tour with me?
shall we go on a bicycling tour?
Right, correct. Yeah, Jyoti.
Will you
Why
come
don't we
on
go
a
on a
bicycling tour?
Will you come with me on a bicycling tour? Right.
Why don't we go on a
Why
bicycle
are
tour?
you going on a bicycling
Yeah,
tour?
why not go on a bicycling tour? Why don't we go to bicycling tour also is okay. Why not go on a bicycling tour? Why don't we go on a bicycling tour?
How about having a bicycle?
Now, all the others have to respond. Only a few people are responding continuously. Only a few students are speaking. Everybody has to be attentive and everybody has to speak. See, unfortunately,
Sir, is it possible for you to go on a
is it possible for you to
Bicycling
go on a bicycling tour with me? Yeah, go on a bicycling tour with me also. If you
bicycling
say
tour with me?
yes,
Sir, will you come with me go on a bicycling tour?
yeah, correct. Now join computers.
How
Join
shall
computer
we go?
classes.
How about joining computer
Please for you
classes?
to
Yes,
join
how about
computer
joining
classes.
computer classes?
Shall we join computer classes?
Yes, shall we join computer classes?
Would
Is
you
it
like
possible?
to join possible to join
Is it
computer
possible
classes?
for you to join computer classes? Right.
Would you join computer classes?
Yeah, would you join computer classes with me?
Why don't we join computer classes?
Correct. Now attend a seminar on road safety. After this, we are inviting only. After this, we have to accept and then we have to express our inability to attend.
Okay,
How
sir.
about attending a seminar on road
How
safety?
about attending a seminar on road safety? Right. Okay.
Is it
Yes.
possible to attend a seminar on road safety?
Yeah.
Shall we attend a seminar on road safety?
Yeah. Shall we attend a seminar on road safety?
Is it possible for you to attend a seminar on road safety?
For attending
Would you
road
like
safety,
to attend
you like to
Right.
attend seminar
Right. Very good. Now let us go to accepting. You have written some 30 sentences, more than 30 sentences, inviting your friend to various things. See, yoga class, to play tennis, to go on a bicycling tour, computer classes, and seminar. So for the same thing, you write sentences accepting the invitation using these expressions quickly. Accept invitations. These are the invitations. Now you are accepting. Write quickly. Though the title of the lesson is extending and accepting invitations, another part is also covered, refusing to attend invitation. Not just accepting invitation, refusing invitation also. So the title of the lesson can be extending, accepting, and refusing invitations. I think that is better. We had the title as extending and accepting invitations. Write one sentence with each expression. Just one sentence is sufficient for practicing. Afterwards, you can practice. 5 expressions are given. You give 5 sentences. Yeah, have you written? Yeah, Padmavati, you can speak. Padmavati? Have you lost signal, Padmavati?
Yes, I'll be there in coming class. Sir, I'm speaking.
Yeah, who is speaking?
Padmavati, sir.
Yeah, speak. Give your sentences.
Thank you for
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me. We shall go for yoga in the evening, or I will come for yoga in the evening. Thank you for inviting me. I will come for yoga in the evening.
Yes, I will be there.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. I will be there. Yes, I will be there. Thank you. I will be there. And then, shall we play?
Of course, I would like to come for yoga. Of course, I would like to come for a yoga in the evening.
Yoga
Yeah, of course, I would like to come for yoga in the evening.
in the evening. Thank you. That would be great.
Of course, I would like to play tennis with you.
Thank you. That sounds great.
Yeah, thank you. That sounds great. I would join computer classes. Thank you. That would be great. Let us go on bicycling tour. Or I will join you on a bicycling tour.
We could do that.
Okay. For all these 5 invitations, you can write 5 different expressions. I mean, you can accept in 5 different ways. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I will be there. Of course, I would like to. Thank you. That would be great. Thank you. That sounds good. It seems most of you are not watching videos on YouTube. Every day I am posting. After the class, I am posting video and I am sending the link also. Only around 30 students have watched. 25 to 30. Not more than that. See, our strength is 94. All first year students. The strength of the first year students is 94. But more than 30 have not watched. Why? You can leisurely watch the video while lying in bed also you can watch, while sitting in chair comfortably you can watch. Anytime you can watch. You can watch relaxing. Please watch the videos as many times as possible, because sometimes what happens, I will get new expressions which I never used. Okay, please watch videos. Of course, I will send the soft copies of the lessons also.
Okay.
I will send the soft copies of the lessons also. Don't worry that you don't have books. You need not worry that you don't have books. I will send you the soft copies of all the lessons. Okay. So I will, omitting unimportant points, I will select important points and send you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please read regularly. Then some more expressions used for expressing inability. Here acceptance, right? Here extending, here accepting, here expressing inability to attend. Yeah, now you have to use these expressions to express your inability to go for yoga classes, to go to play tennis, to go on a bicycling tour, to join computers, and to attend a seminar on road safety. Please express your inability. You may be asked a question like this. Express your inability to go with your friend for yoga class in the evening. That may be the question. Express your inability to play tennis with your friend. Express your inability to go on a bicycling tour with your friend. You may be asked like this. Such questions will come in your examination. Yeah. You read these expressions and write the expressions. Use the expressions to express your inability for these 5 things. Yoga classes, tennis, bicycling tour, computer classes, seminars. You have to do it quickly. Now you will have only 3 minutes time. After 3 minutes, it gets disconnected, and I will upload video on YouTube and send the link. You watch the link. You watch the video. Now write quickly.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, Swati.
Shall I say, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, but I am sorry. I may not go for yoga in the evening due to rainfall.
Right. Very good.
Sir, Padmavati, sir, can I say a
Yeah,
sentence?
Padmavati, please speak.
Thank you, but I'm afraid I can't join you on a bicycling tour.
Right. Very good. But you have to give the reason also. Thank you, but I'm afraid I can't join bicycling tour with
But
you. Reason also. Better you give a reason also. See, this is the point. Remember to give a reason. You had refused politely and remember to give a reason.
Thank you, but I'm afraid I can't join you on a bicycling tour as I'm going outside.
Okay, as I'm going out with my parents, you must give a good reason. You must give a valid reason. Thank you, but I'm afraid I can't come on a bicycling tour with you because I am going out with my parents.
So Harini sir,
Yeah, Harini.
I would like to, but I am unable to attend the computer classes due to some my pending works.
Right, very good. I would like to see this one earlier. Of course, I would like to. This expression she has used, very nice. Of course, I would like to come, but I'm sorry. Of course, I would like to come, but I'm afraid I can't come because some reason you can give.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you,
Yasmin
but
is
I am
speaking. Yasmin. I think Yasmin is going to speak. Let us give an opportunity to Yasmin. Yasmin. Okay, Swati.
Thank you, but I am afraid I can't go on a bicycling tour due to heavy rainfall.
Right. Again, rainfall. Okay.
Sir, that only I am getting in my mind.
Padmavati, sir. can I?
Okay. Next.
Thank, sir, Padmavati, sir.
Yeah, Padmavati.
Padmavati, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, but I won't be able to join for a yoga class in the evening as I'm feeling headache, as I'm
Yeah.
suffering with headache.
As I have headache. Thank you, my dear friend. I would like to come, but I won't